Today I'm going to show you how to do victory rolls using a modified travel lint roller. I took the middle pieces out and I filed it down so it doesn't get stuck in my hair. My hair is previously set and it's dirty, so it's much easier to work with. Clean hair is really difficult to work with. I have found I can work with my hair when it's clean if I towel dry it and then I use Proclaim undiluted in an old spray bottle, and it sort of presets and it dirties up my hair for me. Now I'm dragging this through my hair, holding on to the ends, and I roll the ends as I start rolling my hair around the lint roller. Any hair that falls out, you can tuck it, you can add it back as you roll, whatever works for you. So I got a nice tight filling roll right here. I've tried doing this with just my hands. I don't have much luck doing that. It's very frustrating for me. My arms get tired and I don't achieve rolls that are nearly as tight as I want them. Okay, so I'll pull it down in the back just a little bit so you don't get the circle on the back, unless that's what you like. Okay, I'm taking another section. Now for my hair type, it's a very Caucasian hair. My hair is like silk, which is good, and it's also bad. It's terrible for rolling, but it's nice because my hair is like silk. As you can see, I am not ratting my hair. I'm not spraying anything in it. I'm just rolling it. So here we go, around the barrel again, and I'm adding what's falling out. For my hair, I have found when it's dry and I use the Proclaim undiluted and I just spray it through my hair and I start rolling it or setting it, it looks really great. It works really well. So there we go. I've got a good roll. I'm fidgeting with it with just a little bit of a fidgeting because it's a little loose, so a little bit of fidgeting. Alright, I take my straight pin, my straight bobby pin, put one through the front and one through the back. Use as many bobby pins as you need for your hair because you know your hair better than anybody else. Okay, I'm going to push this back down. Now this looks fine, this is okay. But if you want to have more of this roll showing, then I love these U-shaped bobby pins. I use these a lot. And so it helps me to shape my roll, make it more defined. So I'm going to push that down. All right. And there it is. I now have my 2 victory rolls. It took, I'm looking at my timer, it took 4 minutes to do. And I use hairspray to keep the flyaways down sometimes. Sometimes I just go out like this. So there it is, a modified lint roller for easy, quick victory rolls. So I hope this helps you.